Hi everyone, I'm CBS19 Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony here on this Tuesday evening going into Wednesday morning, and it was not as rainy of a day as Monday was, and Monday with some record rainfall for those single date for August 22nd did a number on some of the lakes around the area. They were especially dry. We rained anywhere from 5 to 7 inches on some area lakes, and the waters came up, and it looks a lot better right now. I'm going to take you through just an example here from Lake Gladewater. This is Sunday, so that's the bank, that's the lake. You can see some of the grass or lily pads out here. All right, skip ahead to Monday after it rained, and the water now comes all the way up to the bank, up to closer to that tree branch. And the dock now, the water floods or flows underneath that dock just a little bit. So where you could walk out to here on Sunday, now covered by water on Monday. Another example here. Look at this dock. You go all the way out here, you have water about halfway out the dock. That's ground, bare trees exposed, rocks, soil, and then another vantage point from this same angle. Now the water covers the entire dock, comes all the way up to the end of the dock, comes all the way up over that brush, over those trees, all the way up to where the grass meets. Lake Fork was another example of a lake that saw a sudden rise in the water. The water level on Lake Fork came up about 2 feet. I was out on Cedar Creek Lake today. The water level came up about another foot to foot and a half. So impressive rainfall, kind of recharging the water in the lakes. And all of that runoff, despite, maybe this is just an example of how low that water is. So all of that water runoff into those lakes, and the water still looks pretty clear for that. The rainfall also doing a number on burn bans. Several were rescinded by county commissioners across East Texas, including Franklin, Titus, Morris County, Camp County, Cass County, Marion County, Wood and Upshur County, even Smith County, Rusk County, and then Anderson, Henderson, and Houston County, Nacogdoches County, also seeing their burn bans lifted because of the rainfall in the last couple of days. And with the expected rainfall to continue here in the next several days, perhaps more counties will be dropped from their burn bans. All right, we still have a, we call this an aerial flood watch. It means that streets or streams, we could see a sudden water rise. And so in Angelina County, San Augustine County, and Sabine County, that goes until tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Rest of the area now is flood watch free or flash flood watch free or any type of flood watch free. Yes, it's going to rain, but just not enough rain to cause some aggravation or flooding from what we're seeing. All right, rain chances, Wednesday 40% chance, Thursday it's a 30% chance. Friday, there's still a chance for an isolated shower. I think most of us are going to end up dry on Friday. And many of us will probably end up dry Saturday and Sunday, as the showers that are showing up in the data, they're widely scattered. Even Thursday's 30%, I think, is a little more, a little better coverage than, say, that Saturday and Sunday. And these are just pockets in certain areas. I think Deep East Texas probably has the best chance, say, for instance, on Sunday. Then Monday kind of dries out a little bit with a 20% chance. And then Tuesday, we have a frontal boundary in the area, so a 40% chance on Tuesday. All right, so here's future Skycast. This will give us a pretty good example of what we mean by 30 to 40% chance. You'll notice here this starts at 5 a.m. Wednesday, and as we head into Wednesday afternoon, these little pockets of instability produce these showers with a northeast wind. So these showers are going to work their way from the northeast back to the southwest. That's sort of unusual. And they continue to rotate back in here even into Thursday. We've got little pockets of instability and showers from, say, almost College Station up through Tyler, through Lufkin, up into northwestern parts of Louisiana, or through the Arklatex, and then up into the Arklamis, over to the eastern parts of Mississippi, or western Mississippi and eastern Louisiana. Friday, it starts off dry, but again, I think we have the situation where we'll see instability and some things bubbling up in the heat of the day Friday. All right, so the overall weather pattern here as we head through the second half of the week is for some slightly drier air and warmer air, and high pressure begins to become established once again. This is not as strong as an upper level pressure system that we saw earlier this summer. In fact, this one breaks down and allows this cold front to move in here Monday into Tuesday, and this is the next best chance of rain. And cooler weather coming in with scattered showers. We're going to stay in the 80s for the most part. There are a couple of 90-degree days there that I'll show you. In fact, let's look at that now in the 10-day temp trend here in East Texas. So tomorrow, mid-80s, Thursday, mid-80s, upper 80s on Friday, lower 90s over the weekend as that ridge becomes just a little bit better established, and then it breaks down. The front comes in Tuesday. We're dropping back into the lower 80s Wednesday for the end of August. September starts with temperatures below average, right around 84 to 85 degrees, and some rain chances showing up also for the beginning of September. All right, let's look now at the rainfall forecast over the next 3 days. Don't want to jump ahead too much into the future because we have to concentrate on the next 3 days with all these scattered showers around. And you'll see a wide range from 1/100th of an inch out toward Emory to more than 1.5 inches over deep East Texas. So that's when we see these scattered showers in this variety and they're moving from northeast back to the west or moving east to west across the area, there's pockets of instability. There are places where there are downpours. There are places where there are light rain showers. So it's very conceivable for Tyler to have 1/10 of an inch or perhaps as much as 3/4 of an inch, and Jacksonville or Carthage or Center 1/4 of an inch to upwards of 1 inch of rain. And Crockett could have about 1/2 inch of rain, but over in Lufkin, not far away, 1.5 inches. So there's going to be a wide spread when it comes to the rainfall amounts over the next 3 days. Tonight's forecast, a few showers are still possible. We'll be in the lower 70s in our northern counties, including Morris, Titus, and Franklin County and Camp County. Also in Cass County, we'll be in the lower 70s, our central counties, all the way from Marion County through Wood and Upshur County back to Henderson County. Low 70s, around 73 degrees, and then just a little farther to the south, Rusk and Cherokee County and Panola County also in the mid-70s. Can't rule out a shower. Deep East Texas, temperatures right around 73 degrees overnight throughout the entire region. Tomorrow, we're up into the lower 80s once again for Wednesday. In our northern counties, scattered showers, a few thunderstorms are possible. We'll take a look here at our central counties. I think mid-80s are very doable, 84 to about 85, 86 degrees. We get that instability in the afternoon. A few scattered showers pop up. 83 in Jacksonville, 82 in Carthage, and 84 at Athens, and then over deep East Texas, 84 at Lufkin, 83 at Hemphill, 82 at Center, 88 at Crockett, and Groveton up to 88 degrees. So we're starting to push closer to 90 degrees in some of our counties, closer to central Texas, and I think as a result, we'll see some of that air flooding in here as we get closer to the weekend. All right, Baylor Scott White, Texas Spine Joint Hospital, 10-day forecast, 84 then with scattered afternoon showers. Isolated thunderstorms will be possible Thursday. It's partly cloudy on Friday. There's isolated thunderstorms possible Saturday and Sunday, and Monday, maybe a scattered thunderstorm. Otherwise, evening thunderstorms moving in Tuesday with a cold front. Scattered thunderstorms will be possible Wednesday and Thursday, with highs in the low to mid 80s. All right, thanks for checking out CBS 19 Plus. Keep checking back for more updates.